Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on this one as the downtrend here continues. First, I'm going to do just to illustrate that downtrend is going to extend this resistance trend line out here, which has been doing a good job of kind of just illustrating the fact that there is selling pressure that has shown up, because I realize it's one thing for me to just use words, selling pressure, right? Because those are just words, but that's why I love technical analysis and charts, is because they allow you to take words and then make them, much more visual. So when I say selling pressure, that's what I mean. That red line resistance is illustrating the fact that over time, there's just kind of this force out here of selling pressure that is slowly pressing the price lower and lower. And that's what happened once again today. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. It served its purpose for now. But now really the big dynamic here moving forward is in regards to that 173 area, which is that lows from right there and area of support. And really the bottom part of this pattern, and in the world of technical analysis, this pattern right here would be known as a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern. Now, let me be very clear about this. Just because, and I wish I could say trading was this easy, just because something is a bearish pattern does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going down. That would be very easy, but that's not the case. So just because something, and the opposite is true, right? Just because something is a bullish pattern doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to go up. But in this situation, there is a bearish pattern. So, you want to be very careful because, there's just a lot of, again, downward selling pressure out there. But you also got to give credit where credit's due, because so far so good. That green line has provided the support. But there have been a lot of people, and there are a lot of people that have noticed this pattern. So when a lot of people have noticed the same pattern and are wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very nice movements, very big movements. So if the price were to come down there and break down through it, you could have a bunch of shorts showing up. If the price gets up there and breaks through the upside, you could have a bunch of longs and breakout players showing up. So keep your eye on these levels moving forward, and let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.